Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Danis Irfan bin Muhammad Hamdan. My student ID is 2025368735. Let me introduce my team members.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Farid bin Muhammad Sharif Faisal. My ID student is 2025304241.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Amirul Hakim bin Muhammad Fauzi. My student ID is 2025508881. Okay, before we start our video,
Do you know ANNUITY?
Do you know compound interest?
let's watch our video.
Let's go.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 6. Today we want to present about business mathematics and the topic is annuity and compound interest. This is our introduction of annuity. Annuity concept help individual plan for their financial future and especially in term of investment and saving. For example, financial consultation use annuity to calculation for the advised client on suitable investment strategy. And the second is property agent use annuity calculation to estimate the repayment amount for house and car loan. What is annuity? Annuity is a series of the equal payment made a regular interval of a period of time, and this payment are either deposit or paid periodically. For example, short rental payment, insurance policy premium, annual dividend distribution, and last is installment payment for the purchase. This is the methodology for annuity. We got S for the future value of annuity, and we can use to total saving and accumulated amount of the unpaid payment. A, we got the present value of annuity, the original loan, initial amount in the saving. R is the amount of periodic and series payment. N is the number of interest period or payment. And lastly, we got I is interest rate per interest period. And this is annuity formula. For saving, we use S equal R, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, N square, minus 1 over I. At the bottom is formula for to find the interest charge. And we use I equal S minus R, open bracket, N. For the loan, we use the A equal to R, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, and negative N square over I. At the bottom, to find the interest paid is I equal to R, open bracket, N, minus A.
Okay, next the problem statement for annuity. Mr. Nazir bought a house for 850,000. He paid a 10% down payment, and the balance is to be financed through a housing loan from Afing Bank for 25 years. The banks offer a home loan for a rate of base rate is plus 1.35%, where the current base rate is 3.00%, making the effective interest rate 4.35% per annum compounded monthly. So A, calculate the monthly loan repayment. The solution is cash payment equal to 850,000, down payment equal to 10% multiply 850,000, and the answer is 85,000. So we need find the A. The formula A is cash payment minus down payment. So 850,000 minus 85,000, and A equal to 765,000. I equal J over M, so 0.0435 over 12, and T equal 25 years, N equal M multiply T, so 12 multiply 25 equal 300. The formula we must use is A equal R, 1 minus open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, and negative N square over I. So 765,000 equal R, 1 minus open bracket, 1 plus 0.0435 per over 12, close the bracket, and negative 300 square over 0.0435 over 12. So 765,000 equal R, open bracket, 182.6975144, close bracket. So R equal 765,000 over 182 0.697544. So the answer is R equal to 4,187.25 cent. Next, B. Calculate the total interest charged over the loan period. So the formula is I equal R bracket N minus A. So I equal 4,187.25 cents and bracket 300 and minus 765,000. So I equal RM 491,175. Next, C. If Mr. Nazir failed to pay the first 4 monthly payments, calculate the amount he needs to pay on the 5th month to settle the outstanding balance. The solution is as shown on the timeline, which is for the first 4 months, he failed to pay the balance payment. But for the 5th month, he want to settle the outstanding balance. So we need to use the formula S equal R bracket 1 plus I close bracket n square minus 1 over I. So S equal RM 4,187.25 cent bracket 1 plus 0.0435 over 12 and close the bracket 5 square minus 1 over 0.0435 over 12. So the answer is S equal RN 21,088.59 cent.
The next one is compound interest. So for the introduction of compound interest is the interest on a loan or a deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. Compound interest allows your investment or loan to grow at a faster rate than simple interest, where interest is only calculated on the original principal. So this is the methodology for compound interest. P is original principal, S is maturity value or future value, capital I is interest amount, small I is interest rate per period. The formula is I equal to J over M. And lastly, N is number of interest period. The formula is N equal to M multiply T. For the future value formula, the formula is S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket N square. For the compound interest formula, the formula is I equal to S minus P. The frequency of conversion is annually is 1, semi-annually is 2, quarterly is 4, and monthly is 12.
Next, this is the problem statement for compound interest. Hani opened a saving account at Affin Bank and initial deposit of RM 10,000. The account earns 3.10% compounded monthly. After 4 years, Hani deposited an additional RM 8,000 into the same account. So the question is, A. What the accumulated amount in the account after the initial deposit was made? So the solution is P equal RM 10,000, I equal to 0.031 over 12, T equal to 4 years, and N equal to M multiply T. 12 multiply 4 equal 48. The formula we need use is S equal to P open the bracket 1 plus I close the bracket N square. So S equal to RM 10,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.031 over 12 close bracket 48 square. So the answer is S equal to RM 11,318.35 cent. B. What is the total interest received at the end of the 4 years period? So the solution is we need to use the formula I equal S minus P. So I equal to 11,318.35 cent minus 10,000. So the answer is I equal to RM 1,318.35 cent. Next, C. Determine the accumulated amount 6 years after the investment after the additional deposit was made. So the solution is we need to do the timeline, which is P equal to RM 10,000 and additional deposit equal to 8,000. The T1 equal to 4 years and 1 equal to 4 multiply 12. And the answer is 48. For the T2 equal to 2 years and 2 equal to 2 multiply 12 equal to 24. I equal to 0.031 over 12. So the step 1 is we need to use the formula S1 equal to P1 open bracket 1 plus I close the bracket and square. So S1 equal to 10,000 open the bracket 1 plus 0.031 over 12 close the bracket 48 square. So the answer is S1 equal to RM 11,318.35 cent. For the step 2 is we need use the formula P2 equal S1 plus X. X is the additional deposit. So P2 equal to 11,318.35 cent plus 8,000. So the answer is P2 equal to RM 19,318.35 cent. And the last step is step 3. The formula is S2 equal to P2 open the bracket 1 plus I close the bracket and square. Next S2 equal to 19,318.35 cent open the bracket 1 plus 0.031 over 12 and close the bracket. So the n square is 24 square. So the answer S2 equal to RM 20,552.35 cent.
For the conclusion for this both case study, we can conclude that annuity and compound interest are key financial concepts. Annuities help manage regular payments, while compound interest shows how money grows over time. Understanding both is essential for smart saving, investing, and financial planning.